Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a WIX website with someone to edit. Okay. Basically, you want collaborators to edit with you. Okay. Now to do that, you will need to invite them through the roles and permissions section on a site dashboard. Now once done, you'll need to enter their email address, select the appropriate role, and once done, send the invitation. The collaborator will then receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and join the site. Now to demonstrate, right here, go to Sites. All right, go ahead and open up the site where you wanted to have a collaborator. For example, this one. Select it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Settings. Click. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll down and find the section General right here. Now go ahead and click on Roles and Permissions. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you can now go ahead and invite collaborators right here at the top right. Just click on it. Now go ahead and type down the email. Okay, so I'm just going to type in my secondary account right here. And once done, there will be a drop down. Just click on Add this email. Add. Then just go ahead and scroll down and give the role. Okay, could be admin or co-owner, website manager, website designer, back office manager, or content writer. All right, as the title suggests, we would need someone to edit. Okay, so either you select website designer, website manager, or even co-owner. Okay, you can go and read the descriptions from here, as you can see. But for this example, I'm just going to be using website designer. Can edit the site, manage settings and apps, but cannot access inbox, contacts, and other sensitive info. Okay, these are from the general roles. You can also use this tab right here, like editor roles. Click on a drop down. As you can see, website viewer and website commenter as well. And you have plenty of options from here. You could also create a custom role. Okay, now once you're happy with the role and the email right here is ready, you can now go ahead and go to the top right here, send invite, or at the very bottom, send invite. Just click on it. Now select the reason why you wanted to invite the particular email. It could be a colleague at my business, an agency or freelancer who helps me build a website, or a client I create websites for. So I'm just going to select an agency or freelancer like so and hit on done. Wait for it. As you can see here, invitation was sent successfully and the other account has been added, but it's still pending. All right, the person that you have invited should receive the same exact email. Okay, it says here you are invited to collaborate on a site. So the person should just accept the invite right here, and the WIX Studio will open right here. Click on accept invite. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see, here we have the site. That's basically how you do it. That's how you share a WIX website with someone to edit. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.